Hey everyone, I wanted to show you how to open up and clean the impeller or the basket of the Aquasurge Aquascape pumps. They make, I think they make a 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So if you have one of those models, it should work. I just want to kind of show you kind of what it looks like, how to take the basket off, and sometimes the impellers can get clogged. So I want to show you how to just kind of clean them out. All right, okay, so I want to kind of go over the Aquasurge pumps with you by Aquascape. Most of these pumps are in your skimmer, and I get customers that say their waterfall is slowing down or something. So sometimes the baskets are getting clogged with debris. I know the water goes through a basket, goes through a filter pad, and then through this, but a lot of times leaves can get through that and clog the basket. And then also there's an inner basket that can get clogged, and the impeller can get clogged. So I just kind of want to show you how to open that up and clean it so you can get the flow going again. So maybe you can help your pond and your fish get oxygen. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is take off the basket, and for some reason they're really hard to take off with just your hand, so you're probably going to need a flathead screwdriver. And what you're going to do is kind of go between the body of the pump and the basket and just kind of start to kind of pop it apart like that, and then it's pretty simple to take off once you do with a screwdriver, but really hard to do without a screwdriver. So obviously you want to clean off the outer basket. That will get a lot of leaves and stuff to it. Sometimes by doing that we'll get your pump pumping full blast again. If not, there's a secondary basket inside. This one threads on, or off, so unthread it, pops off, clean that one off also. And then inside we got an impeller. So the impellers sometimes will get leaves, pine needles, things stuck in it. So make sure your pump is off while you're doing this. You can stick your hand in there, try to pull them all out. If you need to use some pliers or tweezers or something and get some leaves out, you can do that. You can enter it both ways here. You want to be able to spin the impeller. Impeller is spinning. You're probably dislodged whatever's in there. So after you get all the leaves out of the impeller, put your first basket back on. Okay, thread that back on. And then the primary basket, the outer basket, got this little notch in it right here. You can see here. And that notch will line up with the discharge on the top. And that was simply just going to snap back into place. Really simple. Okay. So 9 times out of 10, if you just clean the 2 baskets, the impeller, you'll get full flow again. So check that out before you think your pump is bad or getting old or something like that. So okay, I hope that helps everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will see you when you come in. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.